What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar with C-Zar Gets Crypto, and we are talking about Terra today. Taraxa coin for user SN4G. You know, this guy. We're talking about it for you, my friend. Looking at it, looks like we're in a bull flag, right? Bull pole, bull flag. Looks about right. Maybe we're getting ready to break out. Maybe we aren't. You know, it is possible. We could still be in this. I don't know. I would think, looking at it, I would think that we go lower. I do. You know, looking at this RSI too, we're rather neutral right now. Let's get into some more oversold conditions. Find an area of support and then build from there. Maybe even get into the oversold zone and build from there. I do think it goes lower in the short term. How much lower? Probably not dramatically lower. From low to high here, I'm talking, you know, we're sitting at about 4.8. Oh, no, not 4.8 cents. 0.48 cents, that's right. We could move down to 0.35 cents, maybe 0.29 cents, something like that, right? Which would be $0.0029, $0.0035, whatever. You know, these lines here, the 1272 to the 1618, probably somewhere in between them, but you know, it is totally possible and even common to literally tip the 1272 in reverse from there. So look for that. Again, I don't think you're going to go too much lower, though from here it might not seem like it, but like that's a 30% drop to potentially a 40% drop from here. So that's what you get with low cap coins like this, you know. But all in all, I think that you're going to see a miraculous move to the upside when this bull flag breaks out. You know, looking at it on the weekly, it does look like it's like more or less ready to break out, but it can still, what's 3 more weeks on this thing before it breaks out, you know, or 5 more weeks even. Like, it could be over a month before we actually see a breakout to the upside. Finding support on your 382 like this, man, is beautiful. I love to see it. So that's actually really encouraging. If it wasn't for this, if it wasn't for the fact that you found support on your 382 and rejected your 236 and now you're back down here at the 382, if it wasn't for that, I would think that you were going to go up from there, that your breakout would have been on this week. But I really do think that you probably do go a little bit below your 382. This look would generally lead me to believe that you go to your 618, 69 area. And that is possible. I suppose that is possible, but I don't know. Let's just see. Is there anything else that could get in the way? Yeah, man, your 382 of this overall range. Finding, look at that. This is pretty common too, right? I'm going to put a line right here. So this is actually at your 0.5. From this low to this high of this range. We're just going to save that. And generally, I don't look for the 0.5 for support. It happens, but I don't look for it. There's more common areas. But finding resistance at your 618 area like this, coming back down to your 382 to find support, an area that's also at your 0.5. Remember, that's what the white line is. Let alone, it's an area of support resistance. You probably come down to that area somewhere around $0.003 to $0.0035 or something like that, and then from there we can build. $33, something like, yeah, 0.0033, 0.003, whatever. I don't think that you break 0.003. I think that you hold it. I really do. So, but probably lower from here, and then we can talk about higher. If you hold 0.003, let's say your low is maybe, you know, I'm going to draw it from here just to be conservative, 0.0033. You'd have extensions, something, and this is a rough estimate, somewhere around 2.1 cents, maybe even 3.5 cents, something like that around this previous high here. That would make sense. we found turbulence in this area a couple times, so finding turbulence in it again wouldn't be too surprising. I wonder if we were to measure this flag here and we put it at the base, arguably. Yeah, man. That you probably go near your all-time highs when you break out of this bull flag. You'll probably go near your all-time highs, and then from there consolidate, maybe move down a little bit. But you know, that's neither here nor there. That's a little bit later. For now, I think you're going lower, just a little bit lower. And I say just a little bit, but it's going to be like 30 to 40% of a drop, if not even a little bit more. But yeah, that's my genuine opinion with this thing. So if you like the video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to see more. I do like this chart. Again, you know, I've talked about it. I didn't really hit on it too much this time, but this bottoming formation is beautiful. This increasing volume with this move up like this, man, it's very, very nice to see. I do expect good things for this thing to come in this bull cycle. I think it definitely has potential for new all-time highs and well beyond that. So with a low cap as to what it is, let's see here. Terra Jesus Coin's going up. Shout out to Jesus Coin. $17 million market cap, even fully diluted, it's under 50 million. Yeah, this thing definitely has 100x potential in it, if not more than that. And if it doesn't do 100x, at least 20, 30, 40x, something like that. Something that would bring you above new all-time highs is what I would expect, which from the current price, I guess that's like a 13x from here, an 11x, something like that. But from where it will be, maybe, I don't know, man. Let's just see. Top to bottom, yeah, you could expect, I would expect, from where it might go, if it goes down to this 382, we could see a 50x, maybe even a 200 and something x, and definitely possible to still exceed those limits. So one to watch for sure. I really do like this kind of bottoming formation that you have here. It's a very, very like textbook double bottom in my opinion. It's almost like an even and Eve or an even and Adam. You've got this like U, and then you've got this V. It could be an even and Adam, or maybe this is a U as well. It could be an even and Eve. Either way, very bullish formation. I think you hit your measure move on that even, didn't you? Let's see. Bottom to top at the point of break. Oh, you actually exceeded it. Oh, let's put it a little bit, like let's put it right on there. Yeah, man, you exceeded it. You definitely did hit your measure move, but you exceeded it. Anyways, bearish on Taraxa, bearish on Terra for the short term. We probably drop, again, like 30 to 40%, something like that, maybe a little bit more. I think that we will hold 0.003, and then from there we can talk about going higher to new all-time highs and beyond. But for now, downsides. So if you like the video, leave a thumbs up. Subscribe if you'd like to see more. Thanks for coming. Bye-bye.